if you look at your community not only as an offer, but as a lead generator and a lead nurturer, this is where a community kills an email list. Most Kajabi creators are still building funnels, and most Kajabi creators are plateauing. And that's not a coincidence. I spent several years in my online business obsessing over my funnels, opt-in pages, tripwires, upsells, downsells, the whole thing. In my view, it was like the more complicated this can be, the better it's going to work. But my conversion rates kept dropping, not because my traffic was bad, but because the model itself is broken and it actually doesn't work anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what replaced funnels for serious Kajabi creators in 2026 and why the people who figured this out early are going to have a massively unfair advantage. And stay with me because the shift is simpler than you think, and it's actually a lot more fun than the kind of faceless funnel that we're used to. I've been inside Kajabi for years. I've helped thousands of people, in fact, 2,000, which is technically thousands, build businesses on Kajabi. And I've done that by helping them get success when they get on the platform. And I've watched the entire online course space evolve in real time. So what I'm sharing today isn't theory. This is like from my direct experience having my businesses on Kajabi and helping thousands of other people start and grow their businesses on Kajabi. This is what actually is working right now for creators who are growing. And by the way, if you're not on Kajabi yet and you want to jump on, you can use my link and get Kajabi for 3 months for one payment of $99. This gives you a massive on-ramp to get started on Kajabi, to build out everything that I'm going to show you in this video and get all my bonuses to do it. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get that 3 months of Kajabi for $99. And you get all 3 of my exclusive bonuses, which are going to help you get the best possible start on the platform. All of that is yours over at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. All right, so the traditional funnel model, let's think of it like content, lead magnet, email funnel, offer. This was built for a different internet. And this pains me because I've taught this model for years. And at its core, at its base, it still actually does function like that. You have content that leads to a lead magnet that puts people on your email list and makes them an offer. The difference is in how these different pieces are arranged, what comes first, what comes second, because it used to be incredibly linear. It was like people are going to watch your content. Then their next step is going to be getting your lead magnet, which is a free or reduced cost value, like some type of value to get them, usually for free, to help them with the problem that your content solves. So the idea was like, let's get them from the content to the lead magnet, or really to the email list, but we're going to do that through the lead magnet. So the lead magnet is the incentive to get them to opt in. Then we have them on our email list. And now that they're on our list, we can have a tripwire product that sells them a low cost option of our course. Then once they buy that, we can have an immediate upsell to the full price course, but at a discount. Then if they buy that, we can have an immediate upsell to our coaching. And if they don't buy any of that, we can have a 15-day sequence that follows that, where we're basically selling that same package of stuff, but instead of doing it all at once, now we're going to do it over the course of a few days. And there's going to be upsells and downsells and triggers and automations, and all of that stuff is really, really great. It just doesn't work the same anymore. It doesn't work the same because so many people can see right through it. They're kind of tired of being sold to at every turn. And with AI, most people know that you didn't write those emails. You didn't build that lead magnet. It's not really you. It's not really yours. And so even though they enjoy your content, which is still you, they might be a little, even if they're not thinking about it directly or consciously, they are subconsciously kind of associating this system of like your lead magnet, your email, all that. Okay, this is what everybody does, and it's not really you, and what they want to do is interact with you, and so they just skip all that and go back to your content. That's one reason why we have seen opt-in rates just kind of plummet. So a lot of really smart online business people, all of us are always trying to figure out, how do we stay in business? How do we keep helping people with the problem that we solve? what do we do now? Because the thing that we've always done just isn't working right now. If your lead magnet were thought about differently, in other words, if you just look at a lead magnet, you think typically what this was like a resource. It was information. It was a guide. It was a checklist. It was some type of information that went beyond the information in your content. Well, again, information is like ubiquitous now, and it's cheap. It has been so like mutilated with AI that the value of just a guide or a checklist is like nothing. So it used to be where it was like, well, they'll at least, give you their email address in exchange for this information because it's going to help them. People are just less likely to do that. But we still need to capture leads, right? There still needs to be some mechanism in which people opt in so that we can have a relationship that goes beyond the content. That's why I said this funnel system still actually works. It's still there. It's just you have to rethink every step of it. We've talked a lot about what to do with our content, what that looks like. I've talked a lot in my recent videos about how important it is to laser focus your content. Now we got to rethink this second piece, which is the lead magnet. So if people aren't paying anymore for information, and they're not even giving their email for free information, then what could that lead magnet be? Well, the question we have to ask is, what do people actually want right now? People want connection. People want community. So if you look at your community, not only as an offer, but as a lead generator and a lead nurturer, this is where a community kills an email list. You still need people on your email list. That's how they're going to know how to opt into your community. That's all there. But in terms of the old days of just get them on the email list and let the emails do the heavy lifting to sell the offer, here is what's different. People now are starving for connection and community. So if the first step from your content to your ecosystem skips the lead magnet, skips the email address, and just says, I want you in my community, here's what that does. Immediately, especially if you have a low tier option to the community or a free option, like here is the general community that anybody can join, and here's what we do in the community. There's a thread, I do Q&As, whatever you want to offer in that free or low cost tier, and then you can have other ways of upselling people into closer access to you, a community that focuses on a specific thing, more Q&As, maybe some training, whatever you want to do later. But if you think about the free or low cost option of the community, now it serves as both a lead generating tool, because instead of saying download this free guide, which you can get this information anywhere, you're saying join my community, which you can't get anywhere else. You can't get me and these people in this curated environment anywhere else. That makes it something that AI can't replace. So it's attractive, right? So that's a lead generator. And it serves as a lead nurturer, because now you have, instead of 5,000 people on an email list that, never see your emails, never open them, never click on them, never read them. And so it's just a numbers game of like, how many tens of thousands of people do I need on this list to make a few sales to make a living? It goes from that to a few hundred people in a community who are engaged, who are seeing other people comment, who are celebrating their wins, who are getting great feedback from you, getting great feedback from each other, who are attending your Q&As and live calls. Those people are incredibly ready, like warm, nurtured, right? And you don't have to wait around for them to open an email because they're in the community. And if the community is set up right, they're going to benefit from it. So now when you have an offer for a coaching product, for a tight-knit cohort, even an information product, if you've proven to this point that the problem they have and here is the way, all of that inside the context of a community can be done so much better. So are funnels dead? Well, in a sense, no, because what I'm describing is also a funnel. But what is dead and what no longer works is the traditional model of just get people on a list and market to that list. The difference now is get people into a community, nurture the community, and then offer the people in there ways to go deeper with you and to experience more of their problem being solved, either faster, easier, better, or for them. The most powerful conversion tool in Kajabi right now isn't the funnel in its traditional sense, it's the community. So here's the shift. Instead of sending people into a linear sequence and hoping that they buy at the end or at some point in the process because they saw the emails and clicked on them and opened them and hit buy, you're inviting them into a space, into a Kajabi community where they can see your content, interact with other students, ask questions, and experience your value before they ever spend a dollar with you. So the community becomes the funnel, except it doesn't feel like one. It feels like I'm just connected with these people, which means that when you do offer something paid, it will feel like, wow, yeah, of course I want to do that because this has helped so much. I want to go to the next level within this community. So you can run a free tier inside your community, like I said, as a lead capture. Someone opts in, they get access to the free space, they start consuming, they start engaging, and they self-select into becoming a buyer. So now you don't have to have that tripwire of the low-cost version of your course. You don't have to do upsell pop-ups. You just have to put genuine value into leading a genuine community where they trust you. And then that will lead to a purchase that feels obvious. And people will choose to do it without even you having to pitch it, without even you. It's just there. The offer is there and they take it. Communities create something a funnel never can: belonging. And people pay to stay where they belong. So a free community member who gets results is the highest converting lead you will ever have because they have already experienced your world. Think about the last thing you bought that felt totally natural. I bet there was a community or a person behind it, not a funnel. There was a face, not a funnel. So how do you actually put this together inside Kajabi without becoming a second full-time job? Let me give you the simple version. One free community tier inside Kajabi where people can experience your world before they buy. That's it. So the whole model can be set up in a day. There's really not a whole lot of moving parts to this, just trust built at scale. And if you want to see firsthand how to set up a Kajabi community and what it can do, check out this video right here where I'll explain all of those questions. And if you haven't yet, lanesebring.com/Kajabi to start your journey on Kajabi. And I cannot wait to see the business that you build.